Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another task of 100 Days of AWS series by Code Cloud Engineer. And in today's task, we need to create an EKS cluster. So EKS cluster or EKS stand for Elastic Kubernetes Service. It is a service of AWS which allows you to run Kubernetes on AWS without managing the control plane or master node. So when we create Elastic Kubernetes cluster on AWS, we will not have to manage master node. AWS will handle the management of master node and as well as scaling and availability of Kubernetes cluster. So these are the specification of our task. Let's proceed to solve this task. Go to EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Service. Click on create cluster. So we need to configure this cluster on auto mode. Auto mode stand for quickly create a cluster without protection grade setting. So the task specification is we need to create a cluster named Nautilus EKS with custom configuration. So we do not need auto mode as of now. Custom configuration, and let's uncheck this because EKS auto mode we do not need. Name of this is Nautilus EKS, and then we need to create an IAM role named EKS cluster role that will grant policies to the cluster. Click on create recommended role. Nautilus EKS role, and this is the default policy. So let's go with this. Click on create role. Role is assigned, and Kubernetes version will be so as of now let's go with the latest version because there is no version specified, and we need to ensure that EKS auto mode is disabled, which is disabled. And for availability we need to choose USDs 1 A, B and C. Click on next. So this EKS cluster will be in default VPC, and we need to choose only 3 availability zones: US East 1 A, B and C. So we do not need one F and D. For security groups, let's go with the default. And then rest of the configuration will remain same. And for cluster endpoint access, let's go with private. So the cluster endpoint is only accessible through your VPC. Click on next, and all of these options will be click on next, then click on next, click on create. So our cluster is now creating. It will take approximately 5 to 7 minutes. We have to wait until cluster is available. Let's verify our task.